This is a new BladeHQ Exclusive Manix 2 lightweight with M4 steel. These were just released the other day. Let's see if you can get a look at this. I made a few modifications to it. Put a slight patina on the blade. And you'll notice something else. You see screws here, not pins. One of the things I did to this is drilled out the rivets and replaced it with barrel studs that I had to turn down and screws. So this knife now can be easily taken apart. I'm starting something that I call Project Manix 2. This particular knife will not be staying with the M4 blade. I'll be putting in a BD1 end blade. My son really liked the color of these scales, so I'm going to give him the knife. But he needs to learn how to sharpen it. M4 is going to be a little bit too hard for him. You can still see the Golden, Colorado, USA. And CPM M4. A little close up of what it looks like converted to screw construction. Details will be coming in other parts. This will be a series that will probably be 5 or 6 parts. These are all knives that are going to be part of this project. Some of these scales will be dyed. Some of them will be swapped. There'll be one more in here. You'll see a blue translucent that'll be converted to screw together construction. And there'll be some blade swaps going on. We're going to see if we can do a blade swap and put the M4 blade in the regular Manix 2 handle that right now is the one with the blurple scales and the S110V blade. So stay tuned for future parts in this series.